When discussing the online success stories of the 21st century, Facebook can't be ignored, as it gained incredible growth and made global change during the past years. But it wasn't all roses and sunshine. It also faced hardships in the journey of becoming the world's leading social media platform, which most people are unaware of. So stick around till the end as we divulge some difficulties that Facebook encountered on its way to success. Facebook, a social media website founded in 2003 by Harvard University students, has grown to become one of the internet's most successful businesses, with over 1 billion members as of 2012 and 2.91 million active monthly users. Start of the journey. Mark Zuckerberg, Eduardo Saverin, Chris Hughes, Dustin Moskovitz, and Andrew McCallum founded Facebook in a Harvard dorm room. In its early days, Facebook was not the social media behemoth it is today. Instead, it used to be a platform where you had just a school profile when logged in. There was no timeline or posting. Facebook was chosen as the name because every Harvard student was given one of its accounts, which held images of their classmates and were referred to as Facebook. Most American university students received Facebook directories, which helped them to get to know one another. This original version sparked outrage due to a new hot or not feature for Harvard University. Because of Zuckerberg's policy of stealing images from the institution's records, Harvard administrators initially provided critical feedback for the website. The breakthrough. Zuckerberg intended the website to have many users, so he hacked into Harvard's record server and photographed all students, adding them to the site's hot or not section. This worked, and the website received over 20,000 views in its first 4 hours of operation. After this major success, when Zuckerberg and his co-founders realized the website's potential as a social connections tool, they looked into funding options that would allow them to expand their website for national and international success. Obtaining investments. Facebook was produced by first attracting members from Ivy League universities, then expanding to cover all universities in the United States. Their strategy worked again, and they received their first $500,000 investment from Peter Thiel, a San Francisco-based investor who had increased his stake in dot-com pioneers such as PayPal. The entrepreneur recognized the website's enormous potential and invested in the small founding team that quickly grew to several $billion. The website initially accepted users with their education email address, expanded to allow anyone in the United States to join, and finally, let anyone in the entire world sign up for the application. Non-intrusive advertising solution introduced. On February 19, 2014, Mark Zuckerberg announced that Facebook would acquire WhatsApp Incorporated for $19 billion. In addition, it bought Instagram too. It was when Facebook's rapid growth pressured investors like Thiel to increase revenue. The website quickly invented its non-intrusive advertising solution, which they called Facebook Flyers, in 2017 to increase revenue growth. This company is now one of the world's largest sellers in the display advertising market. Facebook has caused a social media revolution by creating tens of billionaires, hundreds of millionaires, and an online platform where hundreds of millions worldwide can quickly and easily connect. In just 9 years, Facebook compelled everyone to write their success story with this innovative dorm room startup that has reached over 1 billion people through open communications. It has changed from "it's free and always will be" to "it's quick and easy," and was changed silently between August 6th and 7th, 2019. And the reason is still unknown, changing the name to Meta. In 2021, Facebook began promoting the concept of the metaverse, which is the concept of a persistent, online 3D universe that combines various virtual spaces. Later, it announced that it would drop the name Facebook in favor of a new one, Meta, and now Facebook is expanding its metaverse. The social media behemoth's plan include connecting every human being in the digital world. When you consider Facebook's history as a simple tool for rating students' attractiveness, its success is a remarkable example of the internet's potential for rapid growth, success, and real change. According to CEO Mark Zuckerberg, after renaming Facebook Meta, the company will be metaverse first, which means you won't need a Facebook account to access other Meta products in the future. It also implies that the company will divide its activities into two groups, one for its future platform efforts, which will be labeled Reality Labs, and another for its app family. While expanding their social networking applications will remain a priority, he believes that the company's identity will become less tied to a single product or service over time. Zuckerberg said that the metaverse would be an embodiment of the internet. Still, many people are unhappy with the update, as they think it may bring some problems. Although Zuckerberg promises in a founder's letter to encourage security and privacy on this new social technology network, it remains to be seen whether he can persuade people to use it, particularly younger generations who have been abandoning Facebook. Upcoming changes in the interface. Facebook and Instagram will change, with many of these changes aimed at altering how Facebook and Instagram users share posts and videos. According to Mark Zuckerberg, the platforms will make it easier for users to control what they see and discover on Facebook. Changes that will occur. Feeds will be added to the menu as a new tab. Users can see the most recent posts from friends, groups, and pages. A favorites list of friends and pages that users care about can be created. And the first thing users will notice is home. Mission and vision of Facebook. Facebook's mission is to empower people to create communities and bring the world closer together. Facebook's corporate vision statement is based on the company's social media service offerings. People use Facebook to stay connected with friends and family, discover what's going on in the world, and share and express what matters to them. This company's vision demonstrates that it is more than just an online social networking service. Instead, the firm facilitates information gathering and meaningful dialogue among individual customers. Future of Facebook with NFTs. In a report dated July 1, 2022, Facebook announced that it's already begun rolling out NFTs for some American creators. According to a spokesperson for the social media giant, the platform started with NFTs on Ethereum and Polygon and will eventually add support for NFTs on Solana and Flow. Facebook has begun testing Ethereum and Polygon NFTs on user profiles. According to Navdeep Singh, Meta product manager, users' Facebook profiles will include a digital collectibles area where they can display their NFTs, which are unique blockchain tokens representing ownership. It will also allow them to link their Facebook profiles to their Bitcoin wallets. What is your take on the progress that the company is making? And how do you see that it can be helpful in the crypto world too? Drop your thoughts in the comments section, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, consider doing so. Also, press the bell icon so you can be notified when new content is uploaded. Thank you for watching.